The human body is built on communication. Every thought, heartbeat, and movement depends on messages being delivered with perfect timing and precision. At the center of that communication are peptides, small chains of amino acids that act as the language of biology. This week explored how those messages travel through the brain, the immune system, the skin, and every layer of tissue in between. Here's what the science revealed. Inside the brain, peptides work as neurotransmitters and neuromodulators. They fine-tune how neurons fire and respond. Compounds like Semax and Selank have been studied for their influence on focus, stress resilience, and memory formation. These signals don't act like switches, they behave more like volume knobs adjusting the intensity of neural activity. Through this constant modulation, peptides help shape emotional balance, cognitive clarity, and motivation. They keep the nervous system adaptable, and that adaptability allows humans to think, react, and evolve. Next, in the immune system, communication is just as critical, but the language is defensive. Peptides act as coordinators, guiding how immune cells identify, attack, and repair. Signals such as Thymosin Alpha-1 and LL-37 have been studied for their role in balancing immune activity rather than overstimulating it. They help prevent excessive inflammation while still maintaining strong defense mechanisms. This is a key difference. Peptides don't simply boost the immune system, they refine it, helping the body respond precisely instead of aggressively. From there, the focus shifted to the skin and structural repair. Compounds like GHK-Cu and Palmitoyl Pentapeptide send repair signals to fibroblast cells, increasing collagen and elastin production. Thymosin Beta-4 goes deeper, guiding new cell migration and helping tissue recovery stay organized and efficient. Over time, this communication builds resilience. Peptides don't force regeneration, they guide it, teaching the body how to repair itself naturally and efficiently. Finally, we explored how these same peptides move through the body. Once introduced, they face enzymes, membranes, and pH barriers that can break them down before they reach their target. Smaller chains often diffuse easily, while larger peptides rely on transport proteins or encapsulation systems for protection. Current research is focused on nanoparticle carriers and lipid-based delivery systems. These help peptides survive longer and reach deeper tissues. The goal isn't just transport, it's precision, ensuring each molecule arrives exactly where it's needed. Across every system we studied this week, brain, immune, skin, and circulation, one truth stands out. Peptides aren't just reactions. They are communication. They translate stress into adaptation, damage into recovery, and information into action. Every signal they send keeps the body balanced, coordinated, and capable of change. As peptide research expands, scientists continue to refine these messages, unlocking new ways to restore balance, enhance recovery, and maintain resilience from the inside out. Stay tuned for next week's series on metabolic pathways and energy regulation. We'll explore how peptides influence the body's energy management and endurance systems. If you found this breakdown insightful, subscribe for the next round of research-based deep dives. This is Stacked Science, exploring performance through precision and science you can feel.